Welcome to William's World. My name is William, and on this channel I want to show you my world. So heyo, let's go. Good morning. I slept so good. I slept for 8 hours and then I woke up with a little bit of cold legs around 5, but that's okay. I wonder if this is still considered cowboy camping. I slept in the outside fresh air, only there was a roof above me. But isn't that the same as a big tree or a rock?
From the Netherlands he rode away, no one beside him, just the sky. The morning breeze began to sway, a silent tear, he didn't cry. Hey ho, let's go, the wheels will spin, through valleys deep and rivers wide. The mountain calls from deep within, no fear, just fire, he won't hide. Hey ho, let's go to San Marino, oh 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 oh. With every breath he finds his pace, through sun and stormy skies aglow, oh oh oh. Determined soul in open space.
Don't think because you're over the Alps you don't have to climb anymore. Oh, it's so cold today. Every time I go downhill I'm freezing, so it's time to put on the pants again. But then you start climbing and you sweat and you take it off. And if cold isn't miserable enough, it starts raining. I don't want to get my thermal legging wet. I have to wear it tonight when it's cold in the tent, so I have to shelter. It's time for a chocolate Snicker. It's hard work on the last day. "10 kilometers to go to the border. I'm sheltering for the rain. I'm not really dry here, but it's better than that. Okay, join me in the last seconds. The rain even stopped for me. It feels like New Year's Eve. I'm gonna count down. 3, 2, 1. Yes, back in the Netherlands. After a week of hard work, struggle is over. Let's find the supermarket and some good cheese. Oh, it feels so good. Tomorrow I will be sleeping in my own bed, my own pillow, a hot shower. Maastricht train station. This is where it should end. Take the train home, be done with it. But arriving in the Netherlands gave me new motivation. I think I'm gonna cycle all the way. It's 250 kilometers. But if I can do another 40 today, that leaves 210. That's 2 days for 105. I can do that. So heyo, let's go.
He passed through towns with names unknown, oh, each mile a mark upon the day. A kingdom built from grit alone, oh, his thoughts like dust they flew away. Hey ho, don't slow, the path is steep, the climb is hard, the air is thin. But every push takes something deep, oh 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 oh, a strength that rises from within. Hey ho, let's go to San Marino, oh 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 oh, a dream that dances in the light.
It's 7 o'clock. I think I found a place to sleep. It is illegal in the Netherlands to go wild camping, but I'm gonna do it anyway. After the train station I did 60 or 70 kilometers, so that makes it a 130 kilometer day. And it leaves 180. Maybe I can do it all tomorrow. It depends on my legs and the wind and the rain. We'll see. For now I'm tired. I'm gonna pitch my tent down there, out of sight, and go to bed. Okay, good night. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.